task section 15.2 is task 15a, and they require you to make your very first web page by writing HTML code. And this is the question: create and save new web page showing paragraph and heading styles. Now these paragraph and heading styles are predetermined by the HTML package. These are the two important tags you need to use. Okay, so this is how we do it. Every time when we need to write a HTML code, we must have three tools displayed on the screen at the same time for your own convenience and efficiency and accuracy. So the first one you need to set up is your text editor. On my computer, I use Notepad. So I type in here, Notepad is here. Okay, so Notepad is here. And then the second thing I need is the location where I store my work, so that every time when I save my work, I know where it is. I can find it quickly. So this area I use library, so it's in here. So library, and I have already set up a folder here for all my section 15's work. If you haven't done it, you should do it now, and pause the video and do it now. And then my next thing is the display of my work. When I write the HTML code, I am making a website, but I don't know what my website looks like unless I display the codes on browser. This only shows the codes I do. So the browser, which one should I use? I use Firefox. So I come here, use Firefox. So it's here now. Okay, so I got three tools ready. It's just like a chef. He got all the ingredients and all the saucepans and knife and cutleries and everything you need at his fingertip. So what next? Create and save a new paragraph showing the heading and styles. So now you should look at your book on page 230. Now pause the video now, look at your book on page 230, and it shows you the codes you need to write. Okay, now you pause the video and study page 230 now. And now I continue. So in here I should write the codes, and to save my video recording time, I have already written in there. So I show you here. So it's here already. So I can show you what I did. So first of all, you just type what I did like this. So you start, every time when you write the HTML code, you always start with HTML. So you put in here, type HTML. Okay, and then the second thing you type is title task 15a. So you type this, type head like this, like what I did. Okay, and then you have title. Now when you type this, when you type HTML here, this is the open tag. You tell the computer that you are now writing HTML now, and you are actually giving the signal to here later to display it. And this is the closing tag for HTML. So all the tags are always come in pairs. Like this one, HTML tag is the same as this one. They are the same pair. And this slash here means it's the end of HTML document. Okay, so you can type between the tags like this one, title. You are telling the web browser you only want this part is going to be title, so the browser will highlight it. Okay, and this is the title. This is the closing tag. So your HTML is telling the browser here that you need to stop the heading stops here. Okay, and sometimes you can use your word processing skill in here. For example, if I want to write some more there, I can copy. So copy, like in this, the textbook wants us to show heading 4. So you write this as heading 4 and then heading 4. So this heading 4 is telling the browser to display this line of words in the size of heading 4. Okay, and this one heading 3. Okay. Again, what if I want to show another line that shows heading 5? Again, you got two options. You can do this, H5, and then you type this is style, H5, and then you close the tag to tell browser heading 5 stops here. Did you notice I have made some mistakes? Look at that, the spelling is wrong. So I have to, if the spelling is like this, then on the internet it will be like this. Okay, so you better change it now. Now again, I have 3 others to change. What I do, I can do it quickly just by copying it. Control V, highlight, and then Control V for paste. Control V. So this is done. So this one, from body to body, the body tag tells the browser to treat this as the body of the website. Now after you've done it, you save as. Okay, you save as, and I've given it a name already, and just look at here, it's a test. This is very important. You must go to all file and then change it to .html. Okay, it must be HTML, otherwise you are not making a website. HTML as the file extension is very essential. Now I want you to pause and think what I have just said. So that's done. Now I want to see what my website look like now. So you come back to here, the storage area where you stored this file, and then you can see the results of your programming. So in here, oh, I got 2 here. So I use this one that I've just done. So it's here. So you type this, and on your website, on the internet, you have this. So did you notice that all the tags are not on the browser anymore? So on your text editor, you have to write the browser, type the tags like this. But in here, on your real website, you don't have to. They are not going to show it. Okay, so this is the end of the recording for task 15a. Thank you.